Hi guys, welcome back. Just a quick video today about uh, P.P.I or payment protection insurance. This video is mainly for the younger viewers and just for them to be wary of making the same mistake that I made many years ago. I was young, I was 22. I just received a promotion in my job, a team coordinator, earning good salary, and still living at home with mum and dad. And I decided to, this was back in 2001, decided to spend nearly £20,000 on a Vauxhall Calibra limited edition car. Oh, I thought I was the best thing since sliced bread driving around in this car. I had it on finance and I had payment protection insurance with it. 6 months later, I started getting so ill with my Crohn's. I hadn't been diagnosed at this point, that I had to have time off work. The time I had off work progressed, and I phoned up the finance company and told them I was out of work and proceeded to make a claim to cover the payments for my finance, to which I was told they was not going to pay, because 4 months before I bought the car, I'd actually been to the doctors for my first consultation with the doctor, just to explain to him that I was having some sort of pain and discomfort in my tummy area. I hadn't even had a diagnosis of Crohn's at this point. I hadn't even had a diagnosis of Crohn's when I had to go off work. So they didn't pay out because they said it was a pre-existing condition. Now, fortunately, I had all my payments, all my contributions refunded, and the payment protection insurance was cancelled. But yeah, it's just for people with Crohn's Colitis, IBD, or any other pre-existing condition. Be very wary when you taking anything out on finance or mortgage with the payment protection, that if you're off work and you're ill for a length of time and you need to claim on that insurance and it's because of your Crohn's or colitis, they ain't going to pay you out. And you might not understand at the time you take out the policy. That might not be explained to you, and it can cause you, and it caused me at the time, a hell of a lot of heartache and stress. That's obviously, going back to my last video, it's not what you need when you've got Crohn's or an IBD. And what I'd suggest to anybody is, in the future, look into payment protection insurance. Look at your policy details. There are companies out there who will insure for a pre-existing condition, but the premiums are going to be very high, and you need to weigh up your current employment, how much sickness payment that you're entitled to if you're off work, so ill that you can't go to work. How long will that last? And whether you can save up a little bit of money yourself per month as a safety net for if you need to go off work ill. I know, it doesn't seem fair, does it? We've already been dealt a bad hand by having this autoimmune disease, this Crohn's, this colitis, this IBD. And it's just one of those other things that conspires against us. So yeah, please take care. Please take notice. Have a think about it. Just take time to have a look. Think what's going to happen when you make a big financial commitment. If you're going to be off work and you're not going to be able to pay for a longer period of time. You know, how are you going to afford it? A lot of people, I'm assuming, because I know I did, took insurance thinking I'll be okay, and it turned out I wasn't, and I didn't know. So it's just for all the people out there who may not know, especially the younger viewers. If you like this information, don't forget, as normal, give us a thumbs up, give us a like, drop a comment, share, subscribe, and I'll see you again soon. Take care.